Welcome to our Arduino Component Tutorial Series. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at LCD displays. LCD displays are liquid crystal displays, are versatile components commonly used in electronics for visual feedback and information display. You'll often find LCDs in devices like digital clocks, calculators, and temperature monitors. They provide a convenient way to present data and messages to users in a clear and readable format. Let's take a look at how to set up an LCD display using Arduino. To assemble this circuit, you'll need an Arduino, an LCD display, a potentiometer, a breadboard, and jumper wires. Connect the ground pin of the LCD display to the ground pin on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the LCD display to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Connect the RS register select pin to the pin 12 on the Arduino. Connect the RW read-write pin to ground. Connect the E enable pin to pin 10 on the Arduino. Connect the data pins D4 to D7 of the LCD display to digital pins on the Arduino, such as 9, 8, 7 and 6. Connect the potentiometer's outer pins to VCC and ground, and the middle pin to the VO pin of the LCD display. LCD displays work by manipulating liquid crystal molecules to control the passage of light through them, creating visible characters and graphics. They consist of an array of tiny pixels arranged in rows and columns. Each pixel can be individually controlled to display characters, numbers, symbols, or custom graphics. Commands and data are sent to the display using various pins like RS, RV, E, and data pins D4 to D7. Now let's write a simple Arduino program to display text on the LCD. This code initializes the liquid crystal library and sets up the LCD with a specified number of columns and rows. It then prints a welcome message to the LCD. You can modify the text to display different messages or experiment with other functions provided by the liquid crystal library. If you liked the video, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe.